SIGER Data Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case.
Machine, Yelling Vim C1160L High Rigidity Vertical Machining Center, Workpiece Brake Drum Flange, widely used in automotive and construction machinery. High demands on machining stability and cycle time. Traditional machining pain points, manual programming, no real-time monitoring, highly operator-dependent, unstable quality, no learnable or reusable process models. SIGER Data Adaptive Machining System. Cutting load is sensed in real time via power sensors. AI algorithms automatically identify acceleration zones, deceleration zones, and air cut zones, and dynamically adjust feed strategies. Feed rate increases at low cutting power and slows down as load approaches the limit, keeping the machine operating in its highest usable efficiency range. The cycle time per part was optimized from 85 seconds to 67 seconds, delivering a 21% overall efficiency gain. In detail, rough machining improved by 30%, semi-finishing by 20%, and finishing by 10%. While continuously optimizing feed rates, the system performs real-time feedback control on load fluctuations. By suppressing overshoot and filtering noise, it achieves smooth and stable feed adjustment, improving cutting efficiency while maintaining high surface quality with no visible chatter marks. For the same material or similar conditions, the system accumulates data and models. Optimal parameter strategies become reusable, reducing manual tuning. System deployment and on-site training completed within 2 weeks. Operators master it within 1 hour. Compatible with various machine tools and machining centers based on one hardware platform, it can be expanded to a 4-in-1 solution. Tool monitoring, collision protection, adaptive machining, thermal error compensation. Enabling a digital production line. Choose SIGER Data, reduce costs, boost efficiency, and ensure worry-free production.